What is the difference between SPC and WPC flooring? So both products are made from vinyl. However, SPC stands for stone polymer core, where WPC stands for wood polymer core. So WPC is an older technology, and if we compare both of them, right now most factories and most importers are switching to SPC, stone polymer core. The visual difference you're going to see between those two. First, WPC most of the time is going to be thicker than SPC. This is because WPC is less denser than SPC. So for example, SPC is going to be around 4 to 7 millimeter thick, where WPC is going to be from 6 to 10 millimeter thick in order for the core to give its stability. Second, SPC most of the time is going to be heavier than WPC because SPC is denser. That's what makes the planks heavier. Third difference, SPC is going to be more durable, where WPC is going to be a little bit softer. So when you walk on the floor, WPC should feel slightly less dense. Both options are waterproof. However, as I mentioned before, WPC is slowly leaving the market and SPC is replacing all the flooring. So if you're choosing flooring right now, unless there is like a huge sale, I would recommend to go with SPC because it's more durable, more stable, and also it's going to be here for a while, where WPC is currently leaving the market.